everybody, how are you today? I'm Sophie and I work for Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Sally's job is to make sure every single one of you is kept happy, healthy and safe. Do you know what month we're in now? That's right, we are now in the month of February, and February's right to the month is Article 15, your right to have friends and to join groups. Who are your friends? Can you have a think? I'm sure you've got lots. Unfortunately, at the moment, we're not allowed to meet up with our friends very often. So how about you draw a picture of one of your friends, or maybe a picture of all of your friends, and maybe even with the help of an adult, you could write a lovely little letter to one of your friends. You could say, hello, how are you? And what you've been doing at home at the moment. All you need to do is put it in a little envelope with a stamp in the corner and go and post it through a letterbox on your daily walk.